Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Mortal Blade. This powerful weapon is essential for progressing through Sekiro, Shadows Die Twice, as it grants you the ability to permanently defeat foes who would otherwise revive. We'll cover the necessary steps, from key boss battles to specific dialogue options, ensuring you acquire this legendary sword. Your journey to the Mortal Blade begins by defeating Genichiro Ashina in your second encounter at Ashina Castle. After this victory, return to Kuro and speak with him multiple times until he mentions Isshin. Then, follow the purple smoke trails from Kuro's window to locate Isshin and exhaust his dialogue. These conversations are vital for unlocking the next stage of your quest. Once you've completed the necessary dialogue, make your way to Senpu Temple, MT Congo. You can access this area through the abandoned dungeon entrance near the Ashina Castle sculptor's idol. Navigate through the temple until you reach the main hall idol. There, you will find a desk with a bell in front of a large Buddha statue. Ring it to proceed. Ringing the bell transports you to the Hall of Illusions, where you must defeat the unique folding screen monkey's boss. This puzzle-like encounter requires careful observation. After your victory, the divine child of rejuvenation in the inner sanctum will bestow upon you the Mortal Blade. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.